Hello, creative. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to export your pictures, your photos, your image to a web design or to a printing and into a social media. I'm also going to give you a bonus tip on how to add a watermark.
ClarityVisuals, multimedia and creativity.
It. When you want to export your image in Lightroom, we have two ways. You may go to exist, then export it, or you may press just Ctrl Shift E to export, or you may click on the image, then right click, you can say export. So I'm going to follow this process, then I'm views. All you need to do is just click on it. So after I click on it, this is where I do my setting. So specifically for folder, I choose specific folder in the export tool and the folder, the drive. Then I want to choose a folder. For this one, I'm going to choose a desktop. I'll choose a desktop for this. I'm going to press select folder, put it in subfolder. Yes, I like to put it in subfolder, so it's going to know the image is not going to replace the raw image I exported for, or the image is not going to duplicate the image in the same folder. So I first put the whenever I'm going to export, I prefer to put in it focus going, and I'm going to keep this add to this catalog of. Then all this one I don't it's not necessary. So when I'll come to find name, this one maybe you want to rename your name. You have a custom name. Maybe I'm going to rename this one as, let me just give it example example. So I want to export that as example. So if you have a bulk image, so the image is going to be example one, example two, example three, depending on the figures of the image. So that's what the file name is. But most of the time I don't give the necessarily give the file name. I just export my image the way the name given. So secondly, videos. I don't normally do videos Lightroom. So after then I'll go to file, I'll give it on JPEG. Color, make sure the color space on sRGB. The quality should be normally 60, but I'll give it to 100. So this one limits the file size. I don't know. I don't limit the file size. Go to make the image strength. So after then I go to image size. This image size is when I want to export to a web to a Instagram example. So I want to resize to a Instagram size. So I'm just going to click on resize. Then I'm going to give it a long edge. Then dot edge. The resolution I like to give 300. So it's going to make the image 300 I mean. So it's going to make the image to be more sharper, more clearer. Because of this one I'm showing you is for the image. I'm going to show you the printing on. The printing is just a little bit different. So this one is for the social media and those maybe Instagram or Facebook want to post this, so you can follow this process to export your image. So after then after sharpen and you can sharpen for because to screen. Yeah, don't matte paper or gloss paper, those one are for printing. So this one is for the social media, so I'm going to leave it on screen. I'm going to give this one standard, then meta, watermark. I'm going to show you that later. This one post processing, all this one not necessary in the social media aspect. So I'm going to click on export. So I was going to take a while, and yeah, you can see it over here. You see every subfolder. You can see example one. You can see the example one. It's mean export for the social media um platform. So I'm going to show the other one for a web. Let me show you the one for web. So the one for web, I'm going to also right click, then go to export. I'm going to the export of the export location is going to remain the same place, but in the social media also the file name is going to be the same thing. Video, um file setting, everything is going to be the same thing. But for your printing, you are going to turn this one off, resize to fixed, so to make the image to be the actual size or the quality of the image you want to print out. For your, maybe you want to print it like a flex, or maybe you want to use for a other aspect of printing. So the image size, you are going to keep it off. The sharpen, you are going to give it off. So everything is going to be off. This two is going to off. Make sure it's off for the um printing. And the file name, but this one is not necessary. I'm gonna keep it off, I'm gonna keep it on. So it depends on my choice. So it depends on how your workflow is. So this is my workflow. This everything is going to make sense. So I'm going to export it now. So you can see I've really exported it. So you can see it's really exported. So I'll show you the difference now. Let me click on it. If I check the property of this one, you can see this one is 508 KB. Because this one is for the social media, and you can see the kilobyte is very small. So when I check the actual size I want to export, when I check the property, you can see this one is 3.39 MB. Because of this one is at the actual size of the image. So you can see, so you can know the one of social media is very small terabyte, small kilobyte. So you can use it for, because when you want to use the a larger kilobyte for the Instagram is going to resize it. Instagram is going to stretch it. So it's better for you to use the wide size for the Instagram to more. The watermark, I'm going to show you watermark, how to add the watermark to in Lightroom. Maybe you have a bulk image and I'm too feel lazy, like you don't want to go to Photoshop, add your watermark. So you can come to your Lightroom. Maybe you're wedding photos and you want to add your watermark. So Lightroom is going to make everything easier for you. So you're also going to right click, go to export, click on export. Alright, then I'm going to go to watermark. You can see watermark, click on it, tap a watermark, edit your watermark. So you can see now this is a watermark I want to add. I've already tapped my as ClarityVisuals. You can see it has been at ClarityVisuals to the watermark, but I'm going to use the icon, maybe PNG icon. I'm going to go to my browser. I'm going to pick a PNG logo. So I'm going to click a PNG logo. I'm going to use this. So I'm going to press save. I'll say quit. So it's already there now. So and let's click on export. So if you have a bulk image, it's going to apply the watermark. You can see the watermark is there already. So instead of me to be stressful to like bother about adding watermark to the image, so you can see my watermark is already implied on the image. So all this do is for you. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel.